transform your living spaces into extraordinary environments. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you ready to elevate your backyard from a simple lawn to the ultimate entertaining paradise? We're talking about an upgrade that combines the joy of outdoor cooking with stylish, sheltered design. Today we're diving into the world of the Outdoor Kitchen Grill Gazebo. I've curated the top 15 best ideas to inspire your next home project. Get ready for some serious outdoor envy. Let's get grilling. First, let's answer a fundamental question. What is the meaning of an outdoor kitchen grill gazebo? Simply put, it's a dedicated, covered structure designed to house your grilling station and outdoor kitchen amenities. Unlike a simple umbrella or a pergola, a gazebo often features a solid, pitched roof and sturdy posts, providing maximum shelter from the elements, be it rain, harsh sun, or even a little snow. It transforms a basic patio or deck into a true all-weather extension of your home's living and dining space, centered around the art of cooking and entertaining. So, what are the benefits of having an outdoor kitchen grill gazebo? They are far more than just attractive additions. The primary advantage is all-weather functionality. You can host that summer barbecue even if a sudden shower rolls in. Secondly, they offer enhanced longevity for your expensive kitchen components, like grills, refrigerators, and countertops, shielding them from UV damage and rust. Thirdly, a gazebo creates a defined, luxurious entertaining zone. It instantly becomes the focal point of your backyard, increasing your home's value and making hosting gatherings simpler and much more enjoyable. It means less running in and out of the house and more quality time with your guests. You want your gazebo to look amazing, right? How do I decorate my outdoor kitchen grill gazebo to look good? The key is harmonizing function with style. Start with lighting. It's crucial for ambience. Install dimmable recessed lights in the ceiling and use string lights around the perimeter for a magical evening glow, as you see in several of our upcoming examples. Next, focus on the materials. Match the stone or brick of the kitchen base to your home's exterior for a cohesive look. Remember to choose durable, outdoor-friendly fabrics and materials that can withstand the weather. Now for the gear. Here are the best items for an outdoor kitchen grill gazebo. First, premium built-in grill or smoker. Opt for stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning. Second, outdoor refrigerator. Essential for keeping drinks and ingredients cold, saving trips inside. Third, bar or countertop space. Ample prep space is a must for efficiency. Granite or concrete are excellent, durable options. Fourth, ceiling fan or ventilation hood. A ceiling fan for comfort and a hood to draw smoke away are crucial for a covered space. Fifth, outdoor rated TV. Perfect for watching the game or a movie while dining al fresco. Sixth, built-in storage or cabinetry. Keep utensils, towels, and grilling accessories organized and protected. Seventh, fire pit or fireplace. If space allows, adds warmth, ambience, and a secondary gathering point. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Hear these: the compilation of the top 15 outdoor kitchen grill gazebo ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The timber frame hideaway. Classic pitched roof timber gazebo with stone fireplace. Nestled among mature trees, this design utilizes a stunning pitched wood roof with exposed rafters, giving it a classic lodge feel. The kitchen island boasts a warm flagstone-style countertop and a central eye-catching brick fireplace, complete with a mounted TV above. The bar seating and mix of flagstone and patio pavers create a charming rustic luxe aesthetic perfect for family gatherings and hosting friends. 2. The nighttime glamour bar. Elegant patio gazebo with string lights and granite bar. This design shines at night. The sturdy white posts and lightwood ceiling are dramatically illuminated by a stunning display of festive globe string lights. The massive granite-topped bar is built on a rich, multi-toned stone base, offering extensive seating. It creates a vibrant, resort-style atmosphere, making it the perfect spot for late-night dining and cocktail parties. 3. The private wood haven. Horizontal wood slat gazebo with industrial accents. A striking design using horizontal cedar slats for both privacy walls and an intimate, warm aesthetic. The corrugated metal roof and black metal post accents give it an industrial modern edge. The long, narrow granite bar and abundance of ambient string lighting make this space feel incredibly cozy and perfect for dedicated barbecue enthusiasts with large smoking equipment. For the compact grill shelter, small metal grill gazebo with fold-down side shelves. This is the ultimate solution for smaller patios or decks. This compact, dark metal structure is purely functional, designed specifically to shelter a rolling grill. It features a ventilated roof and essential fold-down side shelves, offering convenient prep and serving space right next to the grill without taking up a lot of room. 5. The Grand Pavilion, traditional hip roof gazebo with full outdoor kitchen. A large, traditional hip roof gazebo with generous overhangs for maximum shelter. The warm wood structure is complemented by robust stone-clad columns supporting the roof. The expansive U-shaped kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a bar seating area with wood paneling, and a small built-in fire feature on the countertop, creating a sophisticated and fully equipped culinary station. 6. The Rustic Entertainer, rustic stone gazebo with fire pit zone. This design perfectly blends multiple gathering spaces. It features a stunning open-beam cedar gazebo covering a stacked stone outdoor kitchen and dining area. The inclusion of a separate, beautifully crafted fire pit area, paved with coordinating stone pavers, extends the usability and allows for 2 distinct entertainment zones. The dark wood deck ties the structure to the home, creating a cohesive, multi-level outdoor oasis ideal for both cooking and cozy evening gatherings. 7. The Modern Oasis, sleek modern gazebo with slatted roof and privacy screen. A clean, contemporary masterpiece. This gazebo uses a black, industrial metal frame with a slatted wooden roof providing stylish partial shade. The white stacked stone kitchen base contrasts sharply with the dark structure, featuring a luxurious granite countertop. A key feature is the integrated slatted privacy wall that cleverly houses an outdoor television, giving the space an enclosed, modern feel without sacrificing openness. 8. The Wood and Shingle Retreat, expansive wooden gazebo with dining and lounge area. Featuring a wide, shingled hip roof and solid wood posts, this spacious gazebo easily accommodates both a full grilling station and a large outdoor dining table. The kitchen features a mix of stacked stone and dark countertop, while the adjacent built-in bench seating with plush pillows provides a cozy lounge area. The overall scale is perfect for larger yards and family entertaining. 9. The Enclosed Bar and Grill, modern gazebo with black metal roof and side curtains. A functional and adaptable design, this gazebo features a dark, multi-tiered metal roof and a streamlined L-shaped kitchen island. The inclusion of pull-down side curtains provides exceptional versatility, allowing the space to be completely sheltered from sun or light rain when needed. The built-in fridge and simple concrete base keep the focus strictly on function and easy maintenance. 10. The Elegant Cedar Kitchen, octagonal gazebo with wood shake roof and custom cabinetry. This high-end design features a classic octagonal shape and a beautiful cedar shake roof topped with a decorative finial. The kitchen itself is a vision of custom L-shaped wood cabinetry, providing maximum storage and a high-end furniture-grade look. The stainless steel built-in grill and clean, light stone patio create an elegant, timeless look ideal for a formal garden setting. 11. The Modern Black Box, sleek modern slatted gazebo with black tile kitchen. This design is pure contemporary chic. The structure features a flat roof and walls clad in horizontal wood slats, creating a boxy, minimalist look. The interior is striking with glossy black subway tile backsplash and black cabinetry that contrasts beautifully with a white countertop. This space serves as a fully equipped bar and grill, proving that an outdoor kitchen can be as stylish and moody as an interior one. 12. The Timber Frame Masterpiece, timber frame pavilion with pizza oven and stone bar. A spectacular timber-framed pavilion with exposed vaulted ceilings creates a light and airy feel. The substantial structure shelters an extensive outdoor kitchen featuring 2 different cooking zones, a built-in granite bar or grill area and a dedicated corner for a sleek, modern pizza oven. The split-face stone base and high-end finishes make this an ultimate culinary entertaining space, complete with a cozy seating area and a wall-mounted TV. 13. The Minimalist Cook's Haven, timber frame gazebo with rustic brick oven focus. This charming design focuses on the simplicity of cooking with fire. The beautiful timber frame structure houses a central traditional brick-front pizza or bread oven, complete with a firewood storage nook below. The whitewashed brick and simple concrete bar surrounding the oven create a bright, rustic aesthetic. It's a peaceful, dedicated space perfect for the outdoor cooking purist. 14. The resort-style compound. Massive dual-zone gazebo with fireplace and dining. This is the pinnacle of outdoor luxury. This enormous, deep-stained timber gazebo covers multiple zones, including a full outdoor dining area with a rustic live-edge wood table. The stone-clad wall boasts a large fireplace, pizza oven, and a mounted TV anchoring the lounge area. A separate, fully equipped grill and bar area ensures the chef has plenty of space. The expansive, cohesive design transforms the backyard into a luxury resort wing. 15. The Coastal White Pavilion. Crisp white coastal pavilion with vaulted ceiling. Perfect for a tropical or coastal setting, this bright white pavilion features a tall, vaulted ceiling with clean, beadboard paneling and a large ceiling fan for cooling. The structure's substantial, slightly angled columns are grounded by stone bases, giving it a strong, modern silhouette. This simple yet elegant design provides excellent shade and frames the view beautifully, creating a comfortable, breezy area for cooking, dining, and lounging by the water. Wow, what an amazing collection of outdoor sanctuaries! Whether you lean towards the rustic charm of stone and timber or the sleek lines of modern metal, there is an outdoor kitchen grill gazebo design out there to fit your style and your budget. Remember, the best design is the one that gets you outside cooking and enjoying life. Which of these top 15 ideas is your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If this video ignited your inner designer, please smash that like button, share this video with a friend planning an outdoor upgrade, and don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more luxury home and garden inspiration. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Happy grilling, and we'll see you in the next one.